Hey everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. Today, I want to show you how you can quickly calculate the driving distance between two addresses, right in Excel. If you work in logistics, real estate, sales, or any field that involves travel planning, this tool will save you hours of manual work. No more switching between Google Maps and Excel. Our Excel Distance Calculator does it all for you. This tool connects directly with Google Maps, allowing you to calculate driving distances and travel times with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you enter full addresses, zip codes, or even city names, the tool will instantly pull the most efficient driving route. We've been developing Excel tools for over 16 years. And with over 7,500 happy customers, this one is a must-have. Our users love it, and we have over 130 5-star Google reviews to back it up. One user even said, "This tool is a game changer. It's seamless, accurate, and incredibly efficient." Another called our customer support exceptional. These reviews speak volumes about how helpful our tools are. Feel free to read them. Getting started is simple. First, download the tool from the link in the description below. Open the file and paste your Google Maps API key in the Settings tab. Once you've done that, enter your starting and destination addresses. Click Calculate, and within seconds, you'll get the driving distance in miles and estimated travel time in minutes. Need to calculate distances for hundreds or even thousands of address pairs? No problem. This tool can process bulk data in minutes, making it perfect for route optimization, delivery planning, and territory management. The best part? It's 100% Excel-based. No installations, no complicated setups, just download, plug in your data, and go. And it works worldwide, not just in the US. Download the tool in the link in the description. If you ever need help, our phone number and email are also there. You can also contact us directly via live chat on our website. No bots, no automated messages, just real people ready to help. We're here to make sure you get the most out of this tool. So, if you're ready to simplify your distance calculations, click the download link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest Excel tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.